Hello, I'm Martin Gilbert. I'm Managing Director of Go North East, part of the Go Ahead Group, and we're here today on board one of our brand new state-of-the-art Voltra electric buses. So I've done 21 years in passenger transport, predominantly in bus and some time in rail as well. The cleanliness of our product is one of the big selling points. You know, a good, well-presented, well-dressed vehicle is what goes out there and gives people the confidence to say, yes, the public transport system is clean, it's safe, and it's dependable and something that we can use. And that's now more important than ever as we emerge from the global pandemic. Cleanliness is even more important than it was before. Particularly critical factor to attracting new people on board public transport. We've got to give them a clean and safe experience, and making sure that our vehicles are well presented and are clean internally and externally as well is a really, really important priority for us here at Go North East. I mean, also Glym is a very well respected, trusted global brand that's known not just in public transport but in the wider world of automation as well. So yes, we're very familiar with the brand, and a brand that our customers, I think, can have some confidence of knowing that we use here. So the products that we use to clean need to be efficient and fast to use and have the right longevity in terms of the effect from our customers. You know, if this was smell-o-vision, we'd be able to smell this beautiful bus this afternoon, but it really smells clean as well as looking clean, and that's very, very important. Customer confidence is absolutely at the heart of what we do. You know, customers are entrusting us to move them from A to B, and therefore we need to make sure that all of the touch points that we encounter on our customer journey give customers confidence, and cleanliness is a really, really critical part of that. From seeing the vehicles travelling around outside, you know, again, we want them to make sure that they are clean and well presentable, the best possible advert for our company and our products and services, and that needs to be backed up by when they get on board to make sure it's clean and gives, again, the same reassurance factor when they're on board. And that is what helps us grow our market, retain our customers, and get more revenue as well. It all links in. We've got to make sure we're doing the right thing for air quality and that we're keeping pace with evolving technology. People are now waking up to the climate emergency that's around us, and making sure that we're providing good, clean, modern transport is a really, really important part of that. Now, the financials for an electric bus are only just starting to stack up. It's new, evolving technology, emerging technology in terms of the batteries and the range and the cost. But when we make this investment, and this is a substantial investment over and above a traditional diesel bus, we've got to make sure that we've got it right in all aspects of what we're doing, in terms of the customer ambience, cleaning, and a whole host of other factors that affect how people perceive and are encouraged to use, and then their experience on board our products. By choosing the right partners to work with and delivering the right things to our customers, we can only enhance that.